ridiculous.
Would you shut up?
I love you, Mr. Bubs. Do you love me too? No? Oh, no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Давай миску. Умница, умница. Молодец, молодец, молодец. Сама за собой убираешь, да? Умница.
It's so funny. He's still on swim. You wagging your tail.
Donut, you've got to go home.
Wants to stay with Nona.
Will you please just come inside? Please. Oh my, thank you. Thank you. Been trying to get you inside for 2 hours.
Come.
This is how we make our bed in the morning. Can you get off my bed, please? Get off the bed. Athena, down. We can't go to the park until you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Denise.
Maddie!
Okay.
Yeah?
I love you.
Pa ha pa pa. Patakata. Ha pa pa.
Winnie, get up, you doink. Get up. I'm dead. I'm popping out. It might storm all night.
You ready? Ace. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knee. Ace. Ace.
When you get mad after you fall.
Yeah, almost there, bud. Oh, we got some of your hair. I'm sorry. No. Oh, we're so close. We're so close, bud. There you go. That's
Buddy!
peanut butter.
Give me what you have in your mouth. Roxy, give it to me. Listen. Shoot it. Come here. Give me. What do you have in your mouth? Huh? Give me.
Have you ever heard the sound that dachshund's paws make?
Somebody is crying of happiness because she got a dog, a puppy. Look here. Why are you crying, Neha Pardeshi? So cute. So if it's cute, then you cry.
Oh my God, no.
You're on a diet. No. No more breakfast. Listen. Cashew.
The ball? Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head. Crazy.
Yoo-hoo! Want a treat?
Good job, Arnold. Did you find the ball? Did you find the ball? Did you find the ball? Yes, you did.
palm tree? It's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait.
You're on.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's up, Carson? Honey? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Did you open this? Shashi, you were supposed to wait.
We're waiting until Christmas.
Why are you opening your toy?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Matt.
Laat dat zoiets redneck.
Look at her wrist.
She's acting weak. Cody. Max, you gotta let go. Dude. Are you nuts? There he goes. He's still hanging on. Come on, Jaxie, let's go, baby!
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
You wagging your tail.
Suéltame, güey.
Hey! Why do you have a glove? Do it again.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Where's he? Is it a doggy? Is it a doggy?
Okay.
best friend? Yoshi is your best friend?
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No, no.
With Thumbtack, you can easily find top-rated professionals for every home project.
It's right here. Look, bud. It's not under the table. Jax.
Hey, gracious. Oh, lover.
Ja. Oh, it's so good.
You excited to go for a ride? Are you a little dizzy? Phil, come here. Come here.
Move your arm, and then I'll put it on full screen for you. And I'll cancel out the ad for you. And now you have to not touch the screen. And then it will stay there. You see the duckies? Stop!
Can I get a pup cup, please?
What? What? What?
It's not easy. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. We're gonna go up the stairs.
You feel that strongly about it?
Get it!
Hi! Hi, Biggie! Hi, Mommy! Hi!
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
In the morning, you cannot go in the pool. Come on. You can't go in. It's 6:30. Bring your towel here. Come on. Come on. Oh, are you okay, Loop? That was karma. That was karma.
Mr. Sandman.
Trying to drop me may be something for you. It may be something for you, man.
Oh my god! I told you I heard him go for